Introducing Milburnie Ridge, Lennar's newest community, conveniently located between the flourishing towns of Wake Forest and Knightdale, with easy access to I-540 and the exciting shops and attractions of downtown Raleigh. Experience popular shopping, dining, and entertainment at Midtown Commons, shops at Midway Plantation, and Triangle Town Center. Walk or ride your bicycle through the beautiful nature trails at the Knightdale Station Park. Enjoy fun activities at nearby Anderson Point Park, a 90-acre park with outdoor amphitheater, multi-purpose fields, picnic areas, and playground. Spend time with the whole family at the Aquatic Center and dog parks of Buffalo Road Athletic Park. Discover the special family-friendly community offering 2 collections of beautifully designed single-family homes with the most popular features and finishes, all included as part of Lennar's Everything's Included program, brought to you by one of the country's most reliable and trusted home builders. Lennar's Milburnie Ridge. Contact us today to schedule an appointment.